Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I will be talking about the right-click context menu of Windows 11, which is quite frustrating, I would say, despite this Windows is the latest one. But when we talk about the context menu, it does not give us complete option. So the question now arises how we can bring back the old context menu, because the previous one comes with many more useful function. For example, I have installed 7-zip and I cannot find it in the new context menu. In order to bring it back, simply click on this Windows button and now type here cmd. Now run it as an administrator and now you need to type following. I'm going to provide you the direct link to this command in the description of this video and then hit enter. Now you see this message which says operation completed successfully, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart my system. So let me quickly restart my system and come back. Now after system restart, let me make a right click and there we go. Now we can see our old context menu came back. Now let's just try it with Windows Explorer. And inside here also let me make a right click and there we go. Now we can see all the options that we were looking for now came back. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational, and please don't forget to ask me if you have got any questions and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. Till then, take care and bye bye.